very dear friend of mine named Jon Weber is a working artist and illustrator. He's very talented, and this is an image that he drew, which is a cool sort of hybrid crossover of Rick and Morty and Star Wars. I loved this image so much that when he mentioned that he was going to offer a limited run of prints for it, I snapped one up, and he was very kind to give me the first run of the print, which sat outside of the run altogether. So we labelled it, or he labelled it rather, 0 of 30 down here, and he signed it for me. And I've never framed it. So I thought, in this video, I'm going to make a frame for it, but there's a little tie-in with a previous video of mine. The video of me making a dice tray, I'll put a link up there. It's a blood-themed dice tray. Actually, that was a gift for him. And it was made out of macadamia timber, and I still have some left, so I think I'll make the frame out of that as a nice little tie-in. Now, if you're interested in Jon's work, there's links in the description below. I encourage you to go and have a look at his Instagram and his website and check it out. And if you want some work done by him, I'm pretty sure he does commission work for anywhere in the world, so hit him up. This is the best moment of any project, is when you put the finish on. I'm using a product called Soft Wax. It's my new favorite matte finish. It's really easy to use, smells good, and I think results speak for themselves. Now the tool I'm using to secure the back is called a point driver. It's a very specific tool. It fires out these little tabs. These are flexible points, and they're what hold the back of a picture frame in. It's a very, obviously, task-specific tool, but no other tool holds the backs in as well as these. So if you're someone who wants to make your own picture frames, it's probably a worthy investment.